Want to know how to add a profile photo or your profile picture in Well-Found or AngelList? Well, no worries. So profile picture is really important in site like Well-Found, which helps you get more results and more profile views. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add it. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you should be under this home tab right here if you have logged in. So we have also created more of these Well-Found videos. So make sure to watch that if you have any confusions. So right below home, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simple like that. And once you're under your profile, here you should be seeing overview, and right below it you should be seeing profile. Just simply select profile right here. So here you should be seeing upload a new photo. It should be right beside or below your name. Just simply select that, and now you're gonna simply upload any photo that you like of yours. So make sure it is a proper photo showing your full face, and I recommend a passport size photo, and this should get you more results and views. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.